Hello, 안녕하세요. On today's video, I will be doing something entirely different. I will be unboxing. Back. So like I mentioned earlier, today I'll be unboxing, doing something entirely different from every other videos that I've been making since the past weeks, past month, whatever. So today I ordered okay, not today actually, I ordered this ring light. So I ordered a ring light. So today I would be unboxing, well, not entirely unboxing the item. Excuse the wrap. So I got this ring light on Lazada. For those of us that doesn't know what Lazada is, it is an online shopping store, but I think it's mainly in the Philippines. So anyways, I got this ring light from a store in Lazada. I was already unwrapping before I remember to make a video. So it says phone ring light feel whatever. Phone ring light feel light smartphone 10-inch/26 centimeter dimmable LED ring lights with tripod for makeup, photography, selfie pack. And I don't know how this package contains a tripod, but either way it says has tripod. So I got this for 760 pesos, cash on delivery and free shipping. So this shit just came in today. Let's see. So back to the video. Like I mentioned earlier, I was already unwrapping before I remember to make the video, so I'm actually almost halfway there. It is supposed to have a tripod, so I don't know how a tripod will fit into this box, but let's see. Yeah. So it says here, fuck these dogs. So it says 10-inch LED ring light. It has maximum power of 110 watts, diameter is actually 26 centimeter, and the illuminance is about 20 to 100, whatever that is. Blah 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 blah. Fuck you! It is supposed to look like this. Like, this is the ring light, the phone holder, then this is like, you guys know I love dogs, but this one's here, they're like my nemesis. Anyways, straight to the booty. Okay, now Paul. So this is the ring light. I don't know if this shit is working, but we'll find out soon enough. And apparently this is the phone holder. And guess what? This is the dead tripod. It's actually like a table. This was not what I had in mind when I was buying a tripod. I wanted a long one. So how in heaven's name do I use this shit? How? Like, how in heaven's name do I use this shit? Okay. So anyways, yeah, it is. This is the dead tripod. And this is the phone ring, the phone holder, phone, whatever. Do I need to plug this stuff before using it? I don't know if I need to plug it before using it. Apparently this stuff is not working, so I think I need to charge it. So afterwards I'm gonna make a video after charging it to see if it's gonna work. Who knows? But then I guess I need to buy like a usable tripod because this shit ain't for me. I would know if it's a good product after the charging and after I've actually had to use it. So I'll keep you guys posted. So, but today I will be finally setting up the ring light. This is the box containing the ring light, the tripod, and every other thing inside of it. So in the box, like I mentioned before, it has a tripod, but this happens to be my own mistake. I do know I was looking for a ring light with a tripod, but what I wanted was the other tripod, the longer one. But this is like my own mistake, so I'm not gonna put this on the seller. I wasn't really paying too much attention to the whole thing. I just noticed it had, like in the description, it said that the package, the ring light contains a ring light, obviously contains or it has a ring light, a phone clip, and a tripod. I really wasn't paying too much attention. I just assumed that it was going to be one of those tripods that you can, adjust and every other thing. But I didn't know this was like, never mind, it has happened. But when I was ordering this, I went through different products. I was reading reviews. Some had good reviews and some had bad ones. So I was feeling a little bit skeptical to buy from those ones because what is the probability that I would end up with the faulty one or with the good one? I do have some sort of kind of trust issues, and at the same time, I can take that risk. So I saw this one, and she had of the seller, literally had no review. So I was like, okay, let's just do this shit. So anyways, on Lazada, this costs 760 pesos for those of us that spend pesos. And I probably put some conversion rate, probably in dollars or whatever, someplace somewhere. So back to business. So this is the tripod, apparently the phone clip, and yes, this is the main sheet. This is it, the ring light, and it has a screw to fix the clip, and apparently, or obviously, for the tripod. So, but one other thing is there is literally zero manual as to how to fix this. Well, I know it doesn't look complicated, so yes, a child should be able to do this, but then it is not everybody that knows how to fix it. So let's do this. And where in heaven's name did I drop for my fucking stuff? Why do I feel like I could do this video? Okay, so this is the tripod.
One eternity later.
So this is it. Well, it doesn't look that bad. This is it. And okay, yeah. So it has like a remote to control the light, the on and off switch. You can actually reduce or increase the brightness of the light, and it also has three different whatever. Like it has like the super bright, the warm, and not so bright. So, and apparently this would not work without it being plugged somewhere. So this is like the USB cable you need to attach it to an adapter or whatever for it to work. Taking pictures with this baby of mine, this new baby of mine. And I think after the video, I'll post pictures with the ring lights. For now, I think this little baby is gonna work. This my new thing is gonna work. And if I do have the need for something bigger, I can always get a bigger tripod. The wristbands. But that is that. My unboxing. Beat the intensity. Take it. Oops, the glow. Give it that, baby. Oh, you can. I'll be goofing around. But anyways, so that is that in today's unboxing video. Till I see you guys again. Stay safe. I remain your favorite host, Tweetybird. Ciao. Bye.